Hello! Oh, hello! Ah, nice toy, eh? Yeah! We're here visiting EM3EV factory! This is Paul, man! Ah, nice to see you, man!
Hey, nice to meet you.
This is my boss. Yo! We're still in the backpacks. Come and show this factory, man! It looks so big! We're going all the way there. Come on, go! Let's go and say hi to everyone. Oh, yeah! Got the logo all done. Oh, the factory, man! Wow! Let's go. This is your wife.
This is Shelley.
Shelley! Oh, nice to see you. Woo! Alrighty! Let's go to the factory!
Some sofas and stuff.
Yeah, nice.
Take some tea.
For the gas,
Some
got tea.
snacks.
Woo! Oh, that's the CNC,
Okay,
man.
so CNC.
Wow, so you sent some videos, man. Whoa, precision welding here, man. Oh.
Very nice.
Wow. Check the technology here, man. This is super awesome. So, what's the button that's inside?
This patch.
Wow, man. That looks beautiful, man. Ooh. Hang on, let me show this technology, man. Wow. Look at the precision here. Look the size of the welder, man. That's a monster, man. Look at the thickness of this, man. Woo! Wow. So more machines here, you say, right?
Yeah, we've got the big machines are downstairs. You know, they're too heavy, too big. So.
Oh, there's another one here, ready to go.
What's the main advantage of using the CNC machine?
Okay, there's a few advantages. One is precision. I mean, you know, every weld is in the right place. As long as it's set up correctly, it's done.
Quality control.
Speed as well. It is quicker.
Uh-huh.
You know? So yeah, just repeatability, quick.
Now, even like I make the butter packs, you know, like it's sometimes you like when you're welding, it doesn't really go right there on the spot, or sometimes you apply more pressure, less pressure, or something like that. But this thing is a machine, man. Oh, this is beautiful, man. So you got more batteries here.
Yeah, this is some packs that we're working on.
This is the assembling thing.
This is our Predator pack.
Okay.
This is a 13S4P. And these are the older Dolphin style case. We call it frame pack.
Oh, you got all
10S5P.
labeled there, yeah.
So do these ones, are these cell level fusing or just the new ones?
These ones are not cell level fusing.
Just the new ones.
We're trying to bring cell level fusing on everything. So the 13S4P, cell level fusing on everything. We've
Oh,
always used
cell level
the,
fusing, like I showed in my previous video there.
We've got the little fuse here, the PPTC fuse for the balance wire. So if any of the balance wires short out, then there won't be a dangerous
It's a
situation.
polyfuse. sort of thing,
Polyfuse,
yeah. Oh,
This
cool.
has also got the cell level fusing. This is a bigger pack, 14S7P.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's all CNC, beautiful, eh? Oh.
It's a very big pack here, which is
Strong.
the customer. It's still under being constructed. It's like a
Is that
14S14P.
14S 14P?
Yeah.
What's the capacity? Is this the LGMJ1?
58.
Wow, that's
50 volts, 50
Still very small.
What's this for?
Oh, it's kind of like a big trike that carries like, you know, like the kind of thing they have in China.
Cargo?
Cargo trike, you know, for carrying.
I saw that everything is electric here in China. All the delivery guys, everything, like even like little motorcycle, everything is electric, eh? Quiet, electric. Woo-hoo. Woo. Uh-huh. It's electric here, man. Check this in. All electric. Uh-huh. More batteries. Woo! Wow!
So these are packs. This is a 10S5P, and that's like a. That will have the cell level fuse in. That's like that.
Wow, it looks very neat, very nice. Look at the technology here,
Comes out.
man. There's a lot of work to make these things here. I like the cell holders, man. That's actually really cool. Ooh. And you got all nailed here, like really
safety,
cool.
It's safety, but also it aids with the, you know.
Is it about 1 millimeter gap or a little bit?
It's a bit less. It's about 0.8. So it's about
0.8.
0.8 mil gap between cells. It's about as tight. We don't want to make it so tight that the plastic's kind of giving way.
Yeah.
You know, It's cool. It's a bit tighter than most of the standard cell holes, which are roughly about 20 mil centre to centre.
How many types of cells have you got now? 4 types of cells? 4 or 5 different?
Maybe a bit more than that.
Yeah. You've got LG, Samsung.
I've got LG 2 types, HD2, MJ1. I've got 33G, 22P, 30Q, and 22P. So I don't know how many is that, 6 or 7.
Yeah. So
But we're trying to a few of those. Once we get sold, they're sold.
some people want high
Yeah.
discharge, some people want
Yeah,
high capacity,
of course,
so you just
yeah.
sort of customise.
So 30Q is very popular. A lot of people like them for a small pack, decent capacity, good power. It's hard to beat.
Yeah. And also, you said you're still doing some of the like high density battery packs.
In the past, we would use we would glue them together, but we'd use like a special kind of RTV. So it's very strong actually. You can't.
It's not like
break
a
it
hot glue,
apart.
eh?
You know, it's like almost impossible to break apart. It's like super strong and really flexible.
And in the end of the day, like
It
this
gets
is actually
cold.
time consuming, right?
Yeah, that's actually. This takes far longer for us to do than this. I mean, with this one, we've got to do the CNC and we need to prepare stuff. So there's a little bit of preparation time, design time. But with this one, it's just manual labor. It takes a long time.
And waiting for glue to dry, like putting in
initially,
shape.
the glue takes like half a day before you can move it. And yeah, it's,
And plus,
this is our new triangle pack we're working on.
This is the old, this is the new, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
wow,
So
man, that's
cell level fusing
beautiful.
all throughout, and we're making a hard case for it now. That should hopefully
Soldering,
be ready
yeah.
very soon. Yeah.
And it looks
The
more
BMS will go down
pointy,
the
more
bottom.
pointy, like,
Yeah,
like
that's
a
right.
more triangle actually.
It's just how it kind of worked, really, because of the way the cells had to be arranged. It just kind of worked out, just right for 40-16. We put the BMS here, down the bottom, rather than on the back.
right.
It just kind of worked out that was the best place to put it. Otherwise, if the termination is really complicated, then it just means more and more design and more
Like a-
dies. Because these will have to be, prepared. They're all custom, so.
And you got actually like a stamping
Yeah, we do
machine
these by
there, like
ourselves.
you do everything, all the nickel, everything.
Yeah, the nickel's all
everything
done by
you see
ourselves,
here,
yeah,
it's
that's
cut
ours,
in-house,
yeah.
in-house.
We don't send it out at all. The only thing we send out is that we get the tooling done, but we actually do the work in-house. Yeah. And all of the CNC is done in-house. We'll go downstairs and have a look.
What's this machine here?
This is a nickel stamping machine.
Wow, so you step all the nickel, beautiful here, bang, bang, bang.
Special kind of machining, special tooling that we need to use with this. Stamp it out. We get the tooling done outside and then we stamp everything in-house.
Wow, what's this sort of thing here?
This feeds the nickel in and it just keeps it under tension.
To tension the nickel here, all right, like a big industrial thing.
Yeah.
Wow, so what about the router, man? CNC router, woohoo!
It's got like 8 tools here, so 8 different tools. So you program in each tool, each does a little job, the drills and this and that and that.
Automatically.
Yeah, just switches automatically. You make the drawing, you say this tool is number 1, and this is number 3, and this is number 5. And
Wow.
it just does it. Just like take the file, we put it into here. We make the drawing outside on some special software, and then we just need to set up the machine, like which tool, and 0 and home, and all this kind of thing. It's a full-size-
You do this thing.
Well, I do the drawings, and I run the CNC a lot of the time, yeah.
Wow,
It's like a
man.
vacuum table here. You have like a
I can feel it.
MDF, and it's
And just
suck
sucks it, right? So it locks the piece in,
it. Yeah, so
in
you
place,
have
right?
like,
Yeah,
stick it onto the table and stuff with the vacuum table. Bang.
yeah. Well, you're gonna press the button or not? Just, yeah. Press the button over there. Woo! Power! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
It's like 24,000 RPM.
24,000 RPM! Wow! That's cool, man. You can stop it. Yeah, it's cool, man.
We've got 3 big machines that support the CNC. We've got like a vacuum pump, 7 kilowatt vacuum pump.
What?
We've got a big compressor, and we've got these, a 3 kilowatt version, and that sucks up all the dirty stuff and puts it into these big bags.
Wow.
They're really noisy, and our neighbours hated us.
No, the neighbors are just there.
We moved here, and like, our neighbours just went crazy, and they wouldn't let us work during the day. We could only work after 7 p.m. So yeah, we had to get this done.
It's pretty loud! It's very loud! You don't want to be here! Wow, man, this is beautiful. So what else is over there? So we got all the stuff here, the electronics and
You know, that takes out the dirty fumes
soldering
from
as well, like the soldering fumes.
We have air cleaners for the, you know, for the.
They all wearing uniform. Ah!
This is a big pack, like a 20S 10P.
Wow.
I'm working on.
That's
Also
nice.
fused. Every cell is fused.
Wow, he's doing the whole
Doing another
work.
14S 14P.
Wow.
These
I
things
love
take so
them.
long, you know, it's like 1 off, but yeah.
These are big packs.
Oh, it's got the copper links.
Yeah, so we did a copper.
Oh yeah, explain this copper link.
Well, if you've got like quite a long run, you don't really want to be using nickel. So if it's a short connection between 2 points, that's, you know, just like one cell to the next, then nickel's absolutely fine. But if you're trying to run high current over any sort of distance, you really want to beef it up with some
Like
copper.
a buzz bar, proper copper buzz bar.
Yeah. And we just weld the copper to the nickel.
Oh.
You need quite a decent welder, a powerful welder to do
Nah,
it.
you got that, eh? You got it there, massive.
It's very neat job.
Oh, right, so
So
let's.
this is at this stage they're doing the soldering. Is this a soldering station?
This is like just finishing off, like they've probably already done the balance wires, but they'll be fitting the heavy cables, like the heavy BMS cables. And then after that, there'll be the discharge test. We use a discharge tester here. We've got a new one on the way, but this is
Let's
like
go, let's go around, let's go
Yeah.
around, let's go around.
I mean, you know, after the pack's built, we'll charge it, and then obviously it needs to be charged, 100% charged, and we'll test it on this. This is a discharge tester.
Wow, it's kind of like a resistor, internal resistor inside.
Actually, it's a bit more complicated than that. The guy tells me it actually puts the power of the battery back into the grid or something like that.
What?
He reckons that's why that's how it can be so small. I don't know what the truth of it, but that's what he says to me. It doesn't get very hot. I mean, discharging 1,000 watts, it hardly gets warm. So
Wow.
maybe there's something in it. Yeah.
Yeah, because this is the old school here, right? So like using like
Yeah.
powerful resistors.
For like really high voltage stuff, we will use this.
Alright. So what's
Up to about
the?
60 volts.
Look what's hiding here.
Yeah.
Wow, this is probably like the very first version of the psychoanalyst. Is this how you started? Like how long ago have you been in the business, man? Like,
Oh, I suppose I've been messing about with stuff probably 6 years, I guess.
6
maybe.
years. So how did you start it? You started like your house, or you had a proper place?
I went to China. Well, I came to China, and I saw the bikes, and they were like really cool, loads of electric bikes, and I thought, oh, you know, that's. Started reading up, going on Endosphere, finding more about it, and because I come from an engineering background, it's the kind of stuff that I can understand, and just started as a hobby. And then playing with this and that, and buying all samples from everywhere, and playing with bikes, having crazy bikes with backpackers all over the place. And
What about the
funky
communication?
motors.
Talking to them in Chinese? You have to-
Well, you know, Shelley, my wife Shadan, she helps with that. You know, so, yeah,
of course.
I know these guys can speak a little bit of English. as well, So. Yeah, so this was like the early stuff, and I used to do these crazy things with these A123 cells, and have this crazy testing with all the cells clamped together, and cell log testing them. Yeah, it was interesting. Yeah, I've tried to move on a bit now since then.
Yes. And then like now you're all into like safety and things, like all the
Yeah,
packs are
safety.
so
I mean,
beautiful.
like for me, you've got a couple of
Yes,
priorities.
I noticed this just now.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
It's like one fire extinguishing every single station. Eh? There's another one there. Yeah, no, but well, it's a battery factory. So look, one more there, one more there. It's like it's a battery factory. Like, that's beautiful, man. Like, well done, man.
I mean, like safety's number one.
man.
Safety's number one. Reliability is number two. Performance. Well, reliability, performance. You know, that's important.
Oh yeah.
But safety is the most.
Everyone wearing a
important
uniform, man. What is safety in Chinese?
It's like Changzhou emissions-free power technology, something like that. These are the PPTC fuses. So they'll be
So
just
they
preparing
preparing
stuff.
things.
So this will just be like for a certain battery. They'll have this prepared, and they'll put the heat
Little
shrink on.
polyfuse for the BMS.
Polyfuse, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like a
So
second
if these,
protection.
if this cable were to short out, then you basically nothing happens. You get like a tiny spark. Without this thing, it's like all hell will break loose. You know, you'll have like
Smoking.
vaporized cables, and like it just gets pretty nasty pretty quickly. So yeah, we've been doing that for years, and it doesn't cause any problems with the BMS because the fusing current is well above the BMS balance current, so it's cool. Yeah, it's no problem.
They work very
I don't know why
fast.
people don't. I mean,
They're
it does-
faster than me,
It takes
man.
time.
They're
It takes
there.
time, It adds a bit of cost. But mostly it takes a bit of time, so
Yeah.
it's easier just to run a cable straight to the back.
Nice nickel, man. Like, wow.
Yeah, this is how we were doing stuff, but we're trying to move everything over to the new
shit.
methods.
Yeah. So this is the thick bus bar here, right? So this is another copper bus bar here, right? There's no point having like a thick wire here going all the way.
Sometimes
It's
it just gets in the way.
Yeah,
If you're trying to
so-
keep things neat, or you don't want to have to add like 5 or 6 mil to the pack just for one cable. If you can just keep that flat copper, it's still got the same current handling, so yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
So
It adds a little bit of work, but it's how.
What's she doing here?
Oh, this is Ting Ting. Oh, Latina.
Nice to meet you.
This is Shadan's cousin.
The whole family. So it's a family business, eh?
That's her brother-in-law.
So it's of the whole family, wife, everyone here.
Yeah, most of the family.
Yeah.
We got
man.
San in there. That's Shadan's sister as well.
Oh, more people here. Woo! Hello. Alrighty. So, this is like a protection cushion.
Yes, can protect this battery and looks very nice.
It's nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it looks very neat. So, wow, that's like a super packing thing. In my previous video, I actually showed like everything's like ultra well packed, man. Like it's beautiful. Man. There's a lot of work because you're shipping internationally. Like you don't want something like a
I mean, who wants broken stuff?
extremely well packed. Look, like they're doing like custom shapes, cutting little things here. Like there's a lot of attention to detail here, man. Ooh. Look, they're packing up, they're checking everything, checking the torque, everything. Like it's crazy, man. That's a lot of work here.
And Sansan probably doing some programming on the
Programming, oh.
on the big SI2.
Another family member. Woo! Hello. Hi.
You build a lot of wheels as well.
Yeah, we put a lot of wheels. Yeah, we do all our wheels.
Wow.
We didn't really show you the
Is this
smoke cutter.
crystal light? What
This
is
is a
it?
crystallite. I think this is the TC40, the big one.
And you have to make the whole wheel, like cut
Oh yeah, we've
spokes
got
and
loads of rims. What we'll look at now is a spoke cutter.
Spoke cutter, man.
Yeah, this is a sapim spoke, blank sapim spoke.
Expensive, isn't it?
Oh, the sapim spoke. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're good spokes. I mean, no one breaks them. I mean, we've been selling these for
Strong.
years now. This is a Morozumi spoke cutter.
That's the
Made in
expensive bit.
Japan by a Japanese craftsman or something. I don't know. That's why it costs so much money. Okay. So anyway, what we do is a two-stage thing. We drop it in here. We set the length like this, and we then just bang. And then after we take that out, we take that out.
So it's
Put it in
two-stage.
here. Yeah, two-stage. We put it in there and we roll it. San?
Yeah.
Hey, bang.
She does all the programming. Woohoo! Yeah. Gotta show the guys how to do it. Hey.
So we just let.
Hang on.
So just
Demonstration. Oh, she's quick.
She's strong.
Yeah. Woo!
messy.
And then, boom! Ah! So, beautiful. Look at the threads here. Woo! Man, beautiful. Well done. Have fun. Yeah. So what else?
Hey.
This is a battery discharger, right?
This was cell testing.
Cell
Individual
tester.
Cell tester.
Right,
So
cool.
Cycle testing. You charge and discharge at 6 amps per cell.
Wow.
So you can do like 18650s, or you can do pouch cells, or you can plug in.
Pouch cells as well.
Yeah, you can do pouch cells, or you can plug in something here. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What is
Yeah.
this? Oh yeah. So you actually put the tabs here, right?
All network.
Is this for what, like
64
A123 cells? Or
Yeah, you can do A123 or anything really. You can just adjust it to whatever you need.
you used to do A123 cells before when you started, right?
Yes, yeah, the 26650 and also the big pouch cells, the 20 amp hour.
So this thing can test it. That's
This was
awesome.
after the crazy testing that I was talking about. You know? This was like this was the post crazy shit. Oh, I shouldn't say that.
Oh, whatever. Yeah. It's macho. They're just a macho man watching here, man.
So this was after the cell lock. You know, I progressed from a cell lock to this thing. A bit more
How many
accurate.
cells again?
This is 64.
64
You
cells.
can like get more and more and more of them if you want.
And then the discharge thing is here
Yeah,
behind
that's
it.
it. Each one is like eight cells. and it all networks together, plugs into the computer. And
It's
you
like
can have these stacked up along the whole wall. You have thousands of them. If you want.
wow. So it's like every cell's got an ID there, right? Like
Well, you know, like actually, when you use this thing, very quick explanation. You did a capacity test. After done the capacity test, you have like charge, discharge voltages, blah blah blah. Then you will like grade them, and the LEDs will come on. So you say, I want this grade, this capacity, and you like this, this, and this, this, and this. You take them out, put them in a box. Next one, put them in a box.
Yeah.
right.
LED lights up.
Oh,
Now the cells are much better though, so you don't.
Yeah, I mean they're so close now. It's just like just a waste of time. I mean I've checked them and they're all like within 20 milliamp hour.
they're beautiful. Even
Yeah.
when we do the packs, like we just
Yeah.
check,
We
and maybe
check-
out of like 100 cells, you might find one or two that's slightly low, and you just
The
separate
voltage is a
them.
little bit out when we test them. We test the voltage. If the voltage is a bit out, we tend to put them aside.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And if there's like, yeah,
That's
they
exactly-
meant to need to be examined. But these packs of maybe these cells probably sit there for like maybe months and months. And if they're that close,
Yeah.
when you test
Yeah,
them,
exactly.
they're pretty good.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
pretty good. And they are so stable, these cells. You know, they're top manufacturers. So
Always pumping cells.
yeah,
Like
I mean,
there's not even time for the cell to sit there.
So
Yeah.
stable. And this is Shidan's favourite machine.
Oh yeah. Oh, the girls. They're all watching it.
Yeah,
So
so
what's this? Wow! Woohoo! Can I put my arm there? Can I put my arm? Oh my god! Is that gonna hurt? Hang on.
I don't know, maybe you try.
Okay, go. Press the button. Look, the girls watching.
It may sting.
Press the button. Ah! Oh, it pulls. Woo! Woo! The girl's laughing here. Bring the scissor! Oh my god. Get it out.
We're fixing that.
Pull it. Ah! They're all laughing there.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, so the stock, man. Wow! Look how much stuff here. Woo!
It's a bit light at the moment, but
Wow.
okay then.
Yeah, we'll start there. So more organized. Whoa! There's a lot of things
Messy,
here.
I'm afraid.
Yeah, so controller here, adapter controller. Oh, how many wheels here, man? There's so many.
These
Woo!
things take up so much
24
space.
inch.
Wow, look. Is this for fat bike or
Like
moped?
about-
Oh, it's a big.
These are like about 57 mil inside or something. They're not quite fat bike. They'll fit in a standard bike, just about. If it's a fairly wide frame.
Wow,
like
there's so many. You got
20 inch,
huge
24 inch,
stock.
26 inch, and 700C.
All variations
650,
possible.
And fat bike.
You
fat
use
bike
you
rims.
use Sapim, yeah? Sapim spokes.
Oh yeah, all Sapim,
All
yeah.
Sapim.
Quality.
Mostly Alex rims with Sapim spokes, but we've got a few bits and pieces from other suppliers. Yeah. Oh yeah. It just gets
Anyways,
out of
man.
hand, really. Trust
This
me, it
is
gets out of hand.
crazy. So what do you got here? So you got electronics here, more stuff what?
BMS and stuff. Just got BMS, like different BMS here, and
Wow, lots of things more. That's like endless BMS, man. That's crazy. All like pre-made wiring and stuff. BMS.
different BMS, small BMS, big BMS, this S, that
More S, less S. It's all BMS in this box.
Yeah, just various BMS.
Oh, look, whoa,
Cables.
wow, there's so much.
Stuff coming soon as well.
Pre-made wires here. Wow.
Yeah, there's like little. That's a USB PCB, USB power supply. Yeah, this is part of the
Oh,
stuff
that's
we do for the
interesting.
batteries. So,
So-
this is like a cell holder. That we
Right.
CNC'd cell holder.
Ah, let me see that. Cool. Cool. Oh, what's this cut? Hang on. That's really cool. So one's got a cut here. What's the difference between them here?
Oh,
One-
we've got like a positive and a negative. So the negative we just do a round one. For the positive, we'll have a little cut out of it, and that's where the fusible link goes.
All right. So the fuse like it doesn't really touch them. Like it
Yeah, the
doesn't
fuse,
touch the
it's
holder.
not actually touching the plastic.
Like a
so it's not gonna
floating-
melt. It's kind of just sat there in the middle.
And it's easy to recognize, like when you're actually building
And when
the
you're
pack,
building it,
it's faster.
it helps with
isn't
the
it?
building. So you know you can see it's easy for someone to just like you don't make a mistake.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
it's all.
And we'll have like
Man, this is really cool, man.
we'll have like little. The end plates will all be made up, so
That's nice.
it's like done like that. And
All right.
This is a big pack, like a 14S.
Oh, that's the cell holder.
That's some crazy thing. Like, is it 14S 14p or 14S 20p? I can't remember. That's for the retention case.
Oh yeah.
I mean, 14S 7P, I think. And, yeah, loads of stuff.
So like
really.
a square big one.
It's the 14S 7P, I think. Yeah. We have like tooling that we need to use when we're building it, so we need to make this as well. Yeah, when we're building the pack, we need to have this and this and this and this. A lot of stuff to do. Like little things like where the BMS will come out.
Like this cut here. Like
Yeah,
this,
like
this
little
sort of
cut,
thing.
like this. Like the wire, the nickel will come out
All
here.
right, and then the
just
other
go straight
side.
to the-
All right, so the BMS sits here nicely, so the BMS is
Yeah,
not
it
going
kinda sits
anywhere.
in a slot.
Don't have to glue the BMS. Like
No,
a
not
tape
really.
or like
Maybe put a little bit of
something just to
something,
hold
but
it.
Yeah, it's cool. It kind
So,
of
oh yeah, this thing, yeah, I
like
interrupt
as a
you when you're
cover.
saying.
Oh yeah. No,
Oh,
there's
I
a-
got your logo. Oh,
so it's just like a
that's
CNC
so
cover.
nice, man.
That's just a protection that will come off.
Yeah,
after
it's
still-
just when, during the machining. What's
then
this in your hand?
This is like a side. That's the top and bottom cover, and that'll be the side cover.
Oh,
a bigger
yeah.
box.
Oh, CNC nicely.
With CNC, so it gives you a bit of a extra, a bit extra space for cables and stuff.
Oh yeah, the balancing wires. You don't want to pinch
and
them.
maybe if there's any big cables, and you know that the end plate, you just CNC that, and the glands is fitted into there.
All right. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all done. Like so,
XT90
you
and
set
stuff.
up the factory like so.
So it's
People.
pretty much waterproof. Yeah.
That's awesome, man. That's what
I mean, I
we need for
wouldn't throw it into a
batteries.
river, but you know, I think like, for a bad shower, it's pretty good.
That's
yeah.
good. That's very
Yeah,
efficient.
we'll put
Like
silicone
you,
around it and stuff.
you guys set up like one day just to do these things, and then next day you turn the factory for like, something else. That's very cool, man.
Yeah,
You're like
we're trying to
engineer, man. Ah, all the cardboard box, man. Beautiful, all very new, nice.
This is all custom sizes, or?
Oh yeah, we have to get everything custom, and then for some stuff that's quite delicate, we'll combine the cardboard with this kind of foam packing. It's really tough. It's really strong.
Wow.
You can pack it fairly quickly. You're not messing around, cutting bits and pieces, and also when it arrives, it's not broken, which is the
Yeah.
most important thing.
We done here. So what else is in stock, man?
Got some cells down here. This is a welding machine for a good friend of mine, actually.
Is this our welder?
Yeah.
Yeah. Our new welder, man. That's a powerful one. Wow. Yeah.
And then we've got some built packs. We've got like, various different cell types here.
LG, Samsung.
We're actually a bit low at the moment, but yeah.
No,
you know,
but
we'll
this is
get
like
some more
what,
stuff.
every box here is like
Got some-
200 cells.
Yeah, every one of these boxes.
This is like thousands of cells here,
Oh
right?
yeah, thousands. Yeah.
Thousands. And they're all, what you guys check the cells, right? So like I measure voltage one by
we'll
one.
check the voltage and stuff. And make basic checks.
Right, cool.
Packs are tested. When
Whoa, look how many Mac motors here. Whoa.
We've got so many different models of the Mac because you've got different.
Well, like different turns for different voltage.
Well, you've got like 4 different turns, and you've got like a front, you've got rear cassette, rear freewheel. So it's, yeah, got a fat bike one. So it's
All new Macs as well.
Oh, they're
These
the
are the
old
new
new
style
Macs.
Yeah.
Wow.
pretty much with the 0.27 laminations as well.
Wow. There's so many.
They didn't write them on some of them, but they are actually 0.27.
And this is the wheels, like you sell like this, like already, right?
This one hasn't been. This hasn't been trued. It's just like been built.
Oh, just like a pre-made.
It's
sort
just
of
been.
thing.
It's still loose. It hasn't been finished.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, like wheels that look. We'll generally take the motor out of the actual inner core. We'll take it out to build the wheel.
Ah, right.
Yeah, safe side.
Cool. So many. So what else is here? What sort of thing?
Like throttles, switches, brake sensors, torque arms. Quite a lot of green stuff. Yeah, we do all the green torque arms, the cycle analyst.
We just met Justin like 2 days ago. Like you're there.
We'll see him soon. And a few other things. Yeah, regular stuff.
Like a
Bits with
throttle,
bikes,
cables.
Enduro frame, cycle analyst, V2,
Oh, look how many.
V3, various controllers. It's a new controller. We're doing like a
Controllers,
black case one with the Hygo connectors.
All right, using hydro connectors. Last
Yeah,
one.
this is-
Whoa, EM3EV.
So this is it's the same kind of controllers as we have been selling, but it just looks a bit nicer.
With the
With,
hydro,
waterproof
kind of keep it
connectors.
standard. Yeah. So walking backwards, I might knock something here.
Okay, more controllers,
Oh yeah, see, there's like there's so many.
more accessories, loads of bags. You have to buy hundreds of those
Is
things.
this all just like a
bags.
bunch of bags, the triangle
Yeah,
bags?
triangle bags.
Wow. Yeah, they take up a lot of space. Eh?
Yeah, tell me about it. More sensors and brakes and yeah.
Oh, this is your favourite, Bruno.
What's it?
Hang below bar.
No, that's the throttle I use in my bike, man.
That's the left one, I think, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's the one that I use, left one. Yeah.
Right version and left version.
Sorry, gonna drop it. Left, right.
And then displays and more Bafang bits and Bafang parts, controllers.
Because you get OEM, so like for like a factory, right? So they come in separate boxes, different boxes.
Actually, these are just controllers. So we bought some spare controllers before, some like for warranty stuff.
Right.
Yeah, that kind of thing.
Yeah, keep everything in stock.
We're a bit low on the Bafang now because we're expecting an order in quite soon.
They're your neighbor. They're like 1 hour from here, huh?
No, best friends.
Thing here.
There's a few Crystalite.
Crystalite motors.
Yeah, we'll sell them out. A few more. Another model of Bafang and some more Bafang.
More bafang.
Quite these frames as well.
Yeah. Oh, what frame is that? Oh, that's
We've got a
the-
big pile of them there, like 20 or
Is
something.
that bike? So
Yeah,
I
the
think I saw a
Enduro
bike there
frame.
at the front.
Yeah.
Let's go see the bike. I think he's got a bike ready there. Yeah, that's it. Man.
This one's like motorbike style.
That's a cool machine. Right. Hello, girls. hello. We're disturbing the factory here. Hello. Oh, I missed out. Wow. That's the cool bike.
It's a bit rough, but
Man,
it's
you
okay.
can fit so much buttons here.
Yeah, it's huge. I better turn it off before someone like puts it through the window.
You're in a ride? Or?
It's alright.
Ride it, man. The factory's big, man. Just ride, right? Yeah, try one time. Try lock the wheel, man. Make a mark on the clean floor here. Just make a mark here, man. Come on. Yeah! Show the power! Oh, no, in the office. Oh my god. All right. Cool, man. Yeah. You're gonna hit the glass windows, man. Disturbing the whole factory.
I only took the training wheels off last week.
Righty, man. Woo. That's a cool one. Oh. All right. So we better stop here with disturbing the factory, man. Thanks so much, Paul. Man. Thanks for that. I really loved it. It was really, really cool. Very, very, very fun, man. Like, this thing packs so much power. Power. Yeah. Yeah, hang on. This packs more power. Oh.
See that? Kick a little bit.
Yeah.
Copper. We would have joined copper and nickel together. Prepared it in advance.
This is for the back pocket.
No, this one's just to link the midpoint of the pan.
Okay, yeah.
What I'm actually doing is prepare that in advance. Some copper, nickel.
Yeah.
So we have
So you have copper on the back.
Yeah, so we'll have different terminals for different jobs. We'll kind of like this part we use this, and this one. Maybe sometimes we'll just do it like this. That's a pretty good design. This one's not too good. I might change it.
Yeah.
It's not too much